when people say paint like a pro, how do you paint like a pro? So we're just going to jump in straight away and we're going to look at the toolkit from the different types of people that do painting and decorating projects. So first off, we have a DIY toolkit. This is a standard DIY toolkit, a standard set of steps, a cheap and cheerful bottom of the range dust sheet if you're not using curtains or bed sheets. I didn't have any polyfiller kicking around, which is a Dulux brand, so we just labelled this up as really hard to work with. Pros use totally different products. Here, standard filling knife, probably inherited from your dad or your granddad or your mum or whoever did the decorating. The same with a standard brush that you probably found kicking around, again inherited. Standard rolling kit, rolling tray, bit of sandpaper, some masking tape, and for the really tidy DIYs, probably a set of gloves.